Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can get motion blur in Davinci Resolve, so let's get right into it. Now, I'll start with the studio version method. If you have the paid license and you have the studio version, you can just go into effects, go into open effects, into filters, and then just search for the motion blur. Just give me a second. Motion blur. As you can see, you have a motion blur here. However, as you can see by the watermark on my preview, it is a paid for plugin. You can only access it without a watermark by actually paying for a license and actually paying for Davinci Resolve. However, there is also a different version. You can go into the Fusion stage and then go from there, click on media in, click either control space or shift space, and then search for optical flow. As you can see here, just add that and then click on optical flow, click control space again, and then you can go for vector motion blur and just add that. Now once you add that, you can set up the optical flow in the inspector however you want, classic, advanced, whatever, it doesn't matter. But when you go into vector motion blur, you can edit the scale of the motion blur. As you can see, the video is getting blurrier with the motion, and as you can see, it's really slow because it's rendering everything in real time. But yeah, that is the way you get motion blur. Now if you're, I don't know, recording games or something, or editing a footage, a video of a game or something, the UI will be affected. And to avoid that, what you can do is go into the masking menu, just go into the colors menu, just click on window, and then select with either the square, the circle, whatever you want, what you want to be, well, not affected by it. You can just mask that, or I'm not even sure if you can do that in the color section, pardon me. What you should be able to do though is go here and you'll have this polygon sort of tool, which you can add to mask different parts of the video, as you can see here. Now this isn't a mask, this is just a very well, rough drawing, and you can mask whatever you want to be exempt from the actual sort of motion blur. But yeah, with that would be pretty much it. That's the only way to get motion blur in the free version. As far as I'm aware, you might be able to play around with other blur effects, but they're not targeted towards motion, so that won't quite work. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.